guys, we're gonna bring you a Christmas special from Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. What a beautiful morning. It's gonna be a great time to dig. If you haven't subscribed already, please do me a favor and subscribe. We appreciate your following and your kind words. Even if you don't have kind words, you could follow. And we're pulling up, like I said, to Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. It's obviously never dug here before. It's going to be a fun morning, Christmas Eve, digging with Midnight Coil. So stay tuned. Hope to bring you some action from the beach.
Turn left onto North Lumina Avenue.
Let the GPS do her talking. And it looks like it's a perfect tourist beach for digging, so I'll update you shortly. Thanks for coming along. Merry Christmas. There it is. Piece to a watch or something. Cool target. Another target, guys. 85, stay alive. Heavy target morning so far, 3 in the last couple feet. I felt it, whatever that was. Fishing lead. Sinker swim. Ooh, up over my boots again. I'll take the lead. It's worth some money. See you at the next one. Booyah. Small piece of aluminum. Guys, we just hit a target. I just had to jack my pants up like Huckleberry Finn, but 86. Nice screamer there. Ooh, something good. It's not too deep before you start hitting the sand, even though they replenished the beach. The rocks, I mean, you could feel the harder ground below, so stuff shouldn't have gone too far. 85. I don't know what the target ID is on the XP. Ooh, what was that? I just broke something. I definitely hit something. Maybe a pair of sunglasses or something. Cell phone. Ah! That was an iPhone, guys. We will try to get this back to the owner, but there's your iPhone. Never bring them in for pictures, I'll tell you that. I just broke it. I heard the shovel hit it and I knew it was a phone. Yikes. Well, I might be able to get somebody's phone back, but they got a cracked screen now. Next target, let's keep going. First iPhone I found, crusty. Old beach. Be nice if I could pull one live for you, but those live streams are pretty bad. Turn this off till I get a target here, guys. Man, look at the hole. That looks safe. People, I think, in Jersey went into a hole like that and sunk about 10 feet, so you got to be careful. Not the smartest idea to bring all this sand in. Create some nice vacuum holes for people to get stuck in.
61, 67, I'll play along. Getting a little louder now that I got a shovel in it. $57. It's out. No, it isn't. Must have missed it on this corner here, or buried it. It's out. Nice signal. A piece of metal. Pull tab. Yay. Got a screamer, guys, at 51 in the original beach sand. What a surprise. They didn't dredge this section and we're getting hits right away, so. Looks like a coin, but I hit something. Great. And a cell phone. Ooh, there we go. Sunglasses. Can you see me now? $45, $46 in the original mud. It's out. Nice sound. There it is, guys. There's a ring. We're on the board with the ring. Not a very nice one. Holy hell. That is super old. Probably a toe ring, but it's a ring. On the board again. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It's a primer from a gun. That's how good this detector is. Bullet primer. Got a 45, ripping a smaller signal. Maybe an earring. I buried it. It's down there. Leave this one alone, fill in the hole. Is that a pull tab? It is. Pull tab. Aw, shit. 69. Interesting number. This was the summer of 69. Me and my baby did a 69. Like what? What, Bryan Adams? Nice sound. What is it? Where is it? I should say. The pull tab. I saw it. It was a Pulleus tabeus, scientific name. It was definitely a teachable moment, even for myself. Old pier. They weren't able to replace the sand over there, replenish. They probably have pylons or something underneath. So right on the other side, as soon as I found original ground where they weren't replenishing the beach, I found a ring, a pair of glasses, all kinds of stuff. So 10 miles I've probably walked for 100 feet of sand that wasn't touched. And when they leave the sand alone, it's a virtual treasure box. But when they bring all this shit in with the excavator, it's as good as done. Find a better beach. $65, I'll play along. Hopefully it's not another pull tab. Probably is. It was pretty high up. Was a piece of jewelry of some sort, maybe the earring. It's a Leif, kind of cool. Leif Erikson. cut it off. You cut it off. Cut it off. And you cut it. What you got to do is cut it on and cut it off. We got it out. Yeah, coin. Coin, penny. Got a coin.